Hello, my friends. This is the final product of the video you're about to watch. I'm calling it Stained Glass Explosion because that's what it looks like to me, an explosion of color. After I stopped filming, I let it sit for about an hour, and then I came back and added some more of this white webbing, and you'll see how that's done in the video. There are still some areas of it I'm not 100% happy with, but overall I think it's an improvement over how I ended the video originally. And the other thing is, I erroneously referred to this paint as Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, and of course it's the ready mixed pouring paint. So with those little disclaimers out of the way, it's time to get to the video. Hello, my friends. Well, in my last video, I promised you that I was going to do something entirely different from the ring and ribbon pours I've been doing lately, and indeed I am. I'm going to do an open cup blowout. First time using an open cup on video. I have experimented a little bit without much success, will admit, but I'm going to give it a shot. Now I'm using Artist Loft Flow Acrylics. I have diluted them 50-50 with Floetrol and added just a squirt of Liquitex pouring medium. I don't know why, just to see what kind of effects we get. And I've got phthalo blue, violet, and then I mixed a yellow and green to get a nice chartreuse color, and bright red and violet to get this red-violet. So here we go. This is a 9x12. So I can't go too wrong. Can't waste too much paint if this doesn't work out. I think I'll do two layers. People complain about the cost of these Artist Loft Ready Mix paints, but you know, they do include the medium, and you can always get them on sale. I mean, they're usually running sales, or use a coupon, just buy one bottle at a time. I just love them. I have such fun experimenting with them. Okay, then I mixed up some white with Floetrol, a splash of Liquitex, and 1 drop of silicone. And I'm going to put that in there. Just a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to move it around a little bit. Look at that, it went almost down to the canvas. Maybe I'll just leave that. Well, as long as I come back, it's okay. All right, you know, I'm going to leave it there like that. Remove the cup. And now, hit it with a hairdryer. I apologize in advance. I don't know how to mute this part of the video without muting the whole thing. So, oh, darn, my husband's home. The dogs are going to go crazy. Hold on. Okay, it never fails. It happens a lot. Okay, and here we go. there's something in there. What the heck? Chunk of some kind. Okay, well that's interesting. I'm going to move it around a little bit. I'd like to maintain some of the negative space. This is very pretty over here. I'm going to run that over that edge. That's pretty. The thing with this artist loft, it starts setting up quickly. So it's not moving really fast like a lot of paints. It's kind of I want to move this, and this is the stuff that's moving. That's weird. Let me go back. I very much like this area here, kind of jewel toned, little lacing and stuff. I'm going to stretch that out this way a bit. Let's turn look at the orientation from different ways. I would really like to bring it down this way, but I'm going to lose my corners if I do. Wonder if yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm amazed, always amazed at the, just 4 colors plus white, and you get this explosion of color. Okay, I'm going to do one more thing to it. I would like to carry this white lacy stuff out to the edges. So I'm going to take that silicone mix. Oops, what a dope. And I'm going to dip a business card into it. I think I want it a little narrower. Just going to dip that in there, and I'm going to play with bringing some of this lacing out to the edges. Kind of twisting and turning so we get different widths and more interesting look than just a straight line. It's a bit solid, so I'm bring it back in there to disguise it a bit. Good. Now this part needs a lot of attention. I like that. I'm happy with that. I'm going to have to turn it. It's much easier to pull, well, I find it easier to pull towards me than away. Wonder if I should leave this part and pull it along here, or I think I will. For starters, I can always come back and go over that. But just to change things up, I don't need solid cells. Oh, that's pretty. And maybe one more. What do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I always like things in odd numbers. So one over here. I like it. I don't care for this. Let's see if I can make that prettier. That helped. I'll do the same thing over here. Kind of cover up areas that you don't like with this. I don't know, folks. I think it's kind of fun. I think I'm done with it. Let me bring you in for a closer look, see what you think. Not sure which orientation I prefer. But there it is, and I'm going to call that done. It's so fun to experiment. I encourage you to do the same, and I'll see you next time. Bye.